Hello friends, welcome to part 7 of the video lecture series for 10,000 plus loose and general knowledge one-liners. We'll be continuing with Mahajanapadas. So let's start. Which was the first and the most important dynasty in Magadha? And the correct answer is Haryanka dynasty. What was the approximate time period for Haryanka dynasty? And the answer is 544 BC to 412 BC. Who was the founder and a great king of Haryanka dynasty? And the correct answer is Bimbisara. Bimbisara is also known by the name Dash, and the correct answer is Shronika or Shrenik. For how long did Bimbisara rule Magadha? And the correct answer is 544 BC to 492 BC approximately. Was Bimbisara a contemporary of Gautam Buddha and Lord Mahavira? Answer is yes. He ruled around 563 BC till 483 BC approximately. What was the policy of Bimbisara to expand his empire, which was not yet seen in any dynasties? And the correct answer is matrimonial alliance, that is, expansion through marrying the princesses of other kingdoms. Bimbisara married to Dash. Answer: he had three wives, that is, Kosal Devi, Chelana, and Khema. Bimbisara gained a part of Dash as dowry in his marriage with sister of King Prasenjit of Kosala. And the correct answer is Kashi. Who conquered Anga kingdom in Haryanka dynasty? And the correct answer is Bimbisara. Who was the son of Bimbisara? And the correct answer is Ajatashatru. What was the approximate time period of Ajatashatru? And the correct answer is he ruled around 492 BC till 460 BC. Who built the city of New Rajagriha? And the correct answer is Bimbisara. Which king of Haryanka dynasty was also known as Seniya? And the correct answer is Bimbisara. He was the first king who had a regular and standing army. Who is he? And the correct answer is Bimbisara. Who killed Bimbisara? And the correct answer is son Ajatashatru. It was patricide. Who gained complete control over Kashi and Vaishali during Haryanka dynasty? And the correct answer is Ajatashatru. Which physician was sent by Bimbisara to treat Avanti king Pradyota? And the correct answer is Jivaka. What was the earliest capital of Magadha dynasty? And the correct answer is Rajagriha. Rajagriha is also known as Girivraj. Vajji confederation was Ajatashatru's one of the target of attack. He was able to defeat the Vajjis after a long period of dash years. And the correct answer is he was able to defeat them in 16 years. The victory over 16 years lengthy war between Ajatashatru and Dash was attained through deceit, that is, by sowing the seeds of discord amongst the people of Dash. And the correct answer is Vajji confederation. What were the three things that played an important role to defeat the Vajji? And the answer is first Sunidha and Vatsakar, second Rathamusala, third Mahashila Kantaka. We'll be reading about them in questions ahead. Who were Ajatashatru's diplomatic ministers who sowed the seed of discord amongst Vajjis? And the correct answer is Sunidha and Vatsakar. What is Rathamusala? And the correct answer is a kind of chariot to which a mace was attached. Ratha means a chariot and Musla means blade. This is what a Rathamusala looks like. What is Mahashila Kantaka? And the correct answer is a war engine which catapulted big stones. This is what a Mahashila Kantaka looked like. Which king was known by the name of Kunika? And the correct answer is Ajatashatru. What was the policy of Ajatashatru to expand his empire? And the correct answer is conquest and expand. Who built the Rajgriha fort and a watch fort Jaladurga at a village called Patali? And the correct answer is Ajatashatru. Who convened the first Buddhist council at Rajgriha? And the correct answer is Ajatashatru. Who killed Ajatashatru? And the correct answer is son Udayin. Who founded the city Patliputra by fortifying a village named Patali or Pataligram at the confluence of Ganga, Gandak and Son? And the correct answer is Ajatashatru. Hence Patliputra formed a water fort or Jaladurga. Who shifted the capital of Rajagriha to Patliputra? And the correct answer is Udayin. So don't confuse between these two. Patliputra was founded by Ajatashatru and the capital was shifted to Patliputra by Udayin. What was the approximate time period for the king Udayin? And the correct answer is approximately 460 BC to 440 BC. Udayin was succeeded by Dash, and the correct answer is Anuruddha, Munda and Nagadasak. Who was the last ruler of Haryanka dynasty? And the correct answer is Nagadasak. Name the king who sent his royal physician Jivaka to Ujjain when the king of Avanti Pradyota was attacked by jaundice. And the correct answer is Bimbisara. Which dynasty comes next to Haryanka dynasty? And the correct answer is Shishunaga dynasty. Who was the founder of Shishunaga dynasty? And the correct answer is Shishunaga. He was the minister of Nagadasak. People elected Shishunaga. What was the approximate time period for the king Sishunaga? And the correct answer is approximately 412 BC to 344 BC. Who annexed Avanti and brought an end to 100 years rivalry between Magadha and Avanti, hence making Avanti a part of Magadha? And the correct answer is Shishunaga. Who was the son of Shishunaga? And the correct answer is Kal Ashoka. Kal Ashoka is also known by the name of Dash, and the correct answer is Kakavarna. Kal Ashoka convened Dash Buddhist Council at Dash. And the correct answer is Kal Ashoka convened the second Buddhist Council at Vaishali in the year 383 BC. Which dynasty overthrew Shishunaga dynasty? And the correct answer is Nanda dynasty. So you can remember all the three dynasties by the mnemonic Hasina. Ha for Haryanka dynasty, C for Shishunaga dynasty, and Na for Nanda dynasty. So Hasina is the mnemonic. As per Puranas, who was the first Nanda king? And the correct answer is Mahapadmananda. Who is known by the name Sarvashatranak, that is uprooter of all Kshatriyas, and Ugrasena, that is owner of huge army? And the correct answer is Mahapadma. Puranas call Mahapadma Dash, that is the sole monarch, and the correct answer is Ekrat. So we have three names for Mahapadmananda, that is Sarvashatranak, Ugrasena, and Ekrat. Who is often described as the first empire builder of Indian history? And the correct answer is Mahapadma. It was during the rule of which Mahapadma's son the invasion of Alexander took place? And the correct answer is Dhanananda. Who was called Agrames or Xandrames by Greek writers? And the correct answer is Dhanananda. Invasion of Alexander took place in the northwest in the year dash, and the correct answer is 326 BC. According to which Greek writer Dhanananda commanded a huge army, 20,000 cavalry, 200,000 infantry, 20,000 chariot, and 3,000 elephants? And the correct answer is Greek writer Curtius. What was the approximate time period for Nanda dynasty? And the correct answer is approximately 344 BC to 322 BC. Who dethroned the last Nanda ruler Dhanananda and occupied Patliputra in 322 BC? And the correct answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Which was the first foreign invasion in India? And the correct answer is Iranian or Persian invasion in the year 518 BC in northwest India. The first foreigner to invade India was Dash, and the correct answer is Archemenian ruler Darius I from Iran. Darius I was also known by the name of Dash, and the correct answer is Daraya Bahu. Which new script was introduced in the northwestern part of India with Iranian contact? And the correct answer is Kharoshthi script, which is written from right to left like Arabic. West of Indus and Sindh was the area constituted the 20th province of Iran, out of the total number of provinces being dash, and the correct answer is 28 provinces. What was the effect or influence of Indo-Iranian contact which lasted for more than 200 years? And the correct answer is influences on Mauryan sculptures like bell-shaped capitals, preamble of Ashoka's edicts, as well as certain words used in them. Which was the first European invasion in India? And the correct answer is Macedonian invasion, that is Alexander's invasion in the year 326 BC. Alexander succeeded his father Dash to the throne of Macedonia at the age of 20 years. And the correct answer is his father's name is Philip. Which ruler refused to submit to Alexander? And the correct answer is Porus, that is Puru. Rulers of Takshila and Abhisara submitted, but Porus refused to do so. On which river bank did Alexander and King Porus fought? And the correct answer is Jhelum. What was the Greek name for the river Jhelum? And the correct answer is Hydaspes. Battle of Dash was the name of the battle fought between the King Porus and Alexander the Great. And the correct answer is Battle of Vitasta or Battle of Hydaspes. Rigvedic name of Jhelum is Vitasta, hence the name Battle of Vitasta. Battle of Vitasta was fought in the year dash BC, and the correct answer is 326 BC. After which battle Alexander reached river Beas, and the correct answer is Battle of Sakla or Sagala, which is the modern name for Sialkot, which is in Pakistan. Alexander died in which year? And the correct answer is 323 BC in Babylon. What was the effect or influence of Indo-Bactrian or Indo-Parthian contact after the invasion of Alexander? And the correct answer is influenced Indian architecture, that is Gandhara school of sculpture, astronomy, coinage. Second being necessity of creating a unified empire. Third being opening up both land and sea routes between India and Europe. Which date is known as the first reliable date in the early Indian history? And the correct answer is date of the invasion of Alexander, that is 326 BC. This is the end of lesson, guys. Next lesson will be on Buddhism. Thank you.